I'm playing when I got a missing earring, but you know.
Outside. We outside.
Girls need love too. Yeah. Girls need love too. Girls need love. Let me tell you something.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Slay back with another video. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, like and comment on this video as well. So as y'all can tell from the title, your girl is getting ready for a yacht boat party or whatever, you feel me? Turn this air up, it's hot. So today is Thursday. So last minute, the manager at the bar tells me, oh, I need you to come in tomorrow. I worked last night. He was like, I need you to come in today. I'm like, all right, no problem. So that messed me up. So now I gotta try and get everything done like early this morning before I go in, because I do want to kind of take a little nap too. So this morning I did my laundry. I woke up at like 6:30, put some clothes on, did my laundry in the apartment. That was done like around like 9ish. And then I put my clothes straight away, because if not, they're gonna sit there for weeks. And then I got dressed, and now I'm about to go to Target real quick, and then I want to try and go to Ulta and DSW. So Ulta, I want to get the Fenty Matte Foundation. Alright, you guys, so we are ready for this boat ride. I put on a wig, outfit.
Oh, she picked out the fit. This was you. Because this dress was cute.
We outside.
Bitch on my body, I get what I want, like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want, like bitch ain't bad, let's keep it a beam. Don't be mad, I be on the scene. Ask who's that can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it's seen. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's holding a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me like that on me. Baddest bitch, now you shitting me? If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that this bitch is my mini-me's. Keep on the sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. Thumb in the check, blow to the knee. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want, like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want, like bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. See with my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past him, he sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Wrapping my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring, cause shorty a fan. Let's stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it.
This is the after effect, y'all.
That shit does. Okay.
My hair is wet.
Cute all day. It's cute all day. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with her. I got a missing earring, but.
What's a girl to do? She needs love, some girls need love. Girls can never say they won't.